Let's talk about the sacred return of the masculine. If you are on the twin flame journey and you have been on it a little while, you will have felt that energetic pull. That energetic pull before they start to show up in your reality or your energy. Once soul recognition has happened, you are in this constant feedback frequency. You see, a twin flame journey is nothing like a soulmate relationship. You are one energetic system and one soul recognition. When you have recognized your divine counterpart and they have recognized you, i.e., the soul recognizes itself, you are then on a journey together, working in a tandem frequency. So there will be times, and I really want to make this really clear. On a twin flame journey, there will be times when you go into this separation. There will also be times when you start to feel that heart chakra pull. Now, before they start to show up in your reality, you will feel that peacocking energy. Peacocking energy is a really strong pull on your frequency and energy. Now, they do this without them being actually aware from the mind and ego. It's the energy that is learning how to balance in the 3D. And the divine masculine, they will feel this pull towards you. And as they start to feel that pull, you will feel it as a peacocking energy, and it will hit your heart chakra. Out of nowhere, sometimes it can hit you like a bolt of lightning, this feeling that overwhelms your nervous system. The key here is not to react to that peacocking energy, but to go, no, what is this showing me? And how can I dig in deeper into my soul essence? How can I be deeper? What is it showing me now? You know, a twin flame journey is there to awaken you, not to have you in victim energy, not to have you in waiting energy, not to think that the journey is solely about divine masculine. This is about you, divine feminine, coming into that inner union. You cannot, and I repeat, not come into outer union until you're able to hold that frequency of inner union within your own being. And you will, before they start to come in and orbit into your frequency, you will feel that sacred return. First of all, it will feel energetically, and you will start to see number sequences, the 1111s, the 22s, the 33s, whatever your number synchronicities are between you and your divine counterpart. You will also hear, remember, twins hold a certain vibration, and this is felt in the voice chakra. Once that gets activated, it is also beyond the hearing of the ears. But one of the things that happens on the journey is your divine counterpart will call on the frequency and the energy and the vibration, and this will often be interpreted in songs and music. So there will be certain songs that suddenly, out of nowhere, when they're starting to sacredly return, you will start to hear those songs, and songs will start to have a really strong meaning. Now, this is not from the mind and ego. This is from the soul essence. You will know, because you'll be like, what? How is that happening? And it will almost make your heart smile, not from a yearning, not from a lack, but from a place of, I know where this is going. I know that they are starting to come back in on that soul essence frequency. Now, They may come in for a short time. Oh, and there's another thing also that happens. Your spirit animals will start to circle back into. Now, they're unique for your journey, but they tend to show up as the butterfly, often the blue butterfly. Stag energy is very guiding on this journey. Swans, certain birds hold a certain frequency, maybe dolphins as well. There are certain key ones, but you may have your unique one also. Whale energy is very big. Remember, whales can be heard and they hold a certain frequency. Think about your divine counterpart as that whale in the ocean. You know, that whale is able to emit a frequency, and it is felt thousands of miles away in the ocean. And this is what happens between twins. When you, and here's another key thing. When you divine feminine, now we always think, oh, and it's just the divine masculine returning, but actually they're returning because of the vibration, like the whale that gives out that beautiful vibration and that certain frequency. You now, divine feminine, are holding a certain frequency. It is a sovereign frequency. This frequency is automatically magnetic to the divine masculine. They will not think this. They will feel it and react on a soul vibration. And so when the time is right, and I want you to know that this goes beyond mind and ego, it is the soul. I want to underline that. It is the soul doing the work on the journey. So when you're holding that inner union frequency, divine masculine will feel it. They will feel it, and they will want, first of all, they will check in energetically, and then they may start to check in on like a social media, or check in just to see what you're doing. They're feeling. Now, they feel like the stag energy. It is very, very, think about how that stag energy is. It's very, very cautionate. It's very gentle. It doesn't come thundering in. It doesn't make big waves. It is gentle. It is slow. It is quiet. A stag is on you before you even know it. Or you discover a stag, not through boom, 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 but from the patience and the silence and the gentleness. And this is how divine masculine comes in. If you then go all the way in, they will pull all the way back. But do not fear the separation. In the separation, this is when the magic starts to happen. And this is when you will know this is happening, because when divine masculine comes back in, you've up-leveled, but they've also up-leveled. You are now holding a more purified frequency. You are now shifting into that unity consciousness. You're no longer identifying with the I in a wounded aspect. You are shifting. So each time there is a pulling away, do not fear it. Know that it is only elevating you. It is shifting you into a higher frequency. We are starting on the 1st of January, so only a couple of days. We are going all in for the whole of January. If you are ready to shift your connection in 2026, come and join. 30-day, yes, every single day for January, we will support you in helping you shift into inner union. Inner union always has to happen, and you have to be able to hold that frequency. Divine masculine will test to see if you're holding it. If you're not, they'll pull away again. It is about you holding that frequency, coming into your inner union, your soul alignment frequency. And from there, that's when outer union can happen. If you want to join, if you are ready to shift, then my website is there. 30 days.